24 years ago, we were ordinary people. Innocent civilians shedding blood to reveal a gross injustice.
倒一只鸟仔头啾啾，予阮抓着伊半暝找无收。
Why are you practicing Qigong at the Taijimen?
Taijimen is a decent organization.
You got fired. You don't need to come tomorrow.
My Shifu teaches us to do what is right. It's not like what Mida said. There's no gobbling.
That's enough.
I loved my dad very much. He originally was very supportive of my joining Taijimen, but Hou Kuan-ren manipulated the media, falsely accusing Taijimen of raising goblins. My dad believed it. In fact, Hou Kuan-ren himself is a demon. What he saw was himself.
I'm home.
Take this cursed apple away! Take it away! Walking around every day in that outfit, you're embarrassing us.
24 years are not sure.
伊毋是一个第日子。
Unconscionable government officials have kept abusing us.
来甲阮领地，
One day,
阮会讨。
I will make them pay.
Hou Kuan-ren falsely claimed Taijimen raised goblins. When I took my children out, we would often be ridiculed. That was despicable.
I was only 5 when Hou Kuan-ren illegally searched my house with a search warrant showing someone else's address. I'm now 19. He's still abusing us. Why is such a prosecutor still at large? Where is justice?
I follow my Shifu to practice Qigong, not to cram for exams.
Why did Hou Kuan-ren unlawfully seize our academies? Where can I go? Where can my father go? Madam President! Do you hear our voices? We've been abused by Prosecutor Hou Kuan-ren! Madam President! Please uphold justice!
哭甲三更一半暝找无收，好嘿好。
24 years are not sure.
伊毋是一个第日子。
Unconscionable government officials have kept abusing us.
来甲阮领地，
One day,
阮会讨。
I will make them pay.
My case has dragged on for 5 years. Going through administrative litigation at court, but I lost my case each time.
I petitioned the Control Yuan and even the presidential office, but in vain. The then Deputy Finance Minister Zhang Shanhe said, if I don't punish you, you will collude with those heirs. Several times, I wanted to jump off my apartment building.
When I die, my son will continue the fight. When my son dies, my grandson will continue the fight.
We have no place to live. He said he will extend the deadline by a month. He said if we don't move out before April 30, he will start compulsory enforcement. I feel this house is like being suddenly stolen.
I'm on the brink of death, but the government is still abusing me. Help me!
予我掠着放伊甘休，好嘿好。
The God of heaven,
Do you hear my plea? Please return justice to me.
A quarter of a century has passed. We could have accomplished a lot more and realized a lot more dreams, but our days and years have been wasted just because of Hou Kuan-ren.
I saw a streak of shadow in his eyes.
With conscience, we can save Taiwan.